Mr. Jose Vega. Everyone is ready for this? The excitement is building as we are about to introduce to all of you the very first experience store of Huawei in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, witness how Huawei makes it possible. Usher in the first experience store of Huawei right here in the Philippines. Now, I'm about to lead you to the store, but first, I've got some great news for all of the fans of Huawei and everyone else that's right here at the SM Mall of Asia. We've got a store opening promo. Check this out. It's happening just today, where you can get the Huawei X1 at a super reduced price. Huawei X1 has an ultra-slim 7-inch body, making it the most slender tablet, while its fast LTE connectivity, advanced quad-core chip, and FHD screen provide the multimedia experience whether you are playing, sharing, watching, or surfing. Originally, the Huawei X1 is priced at $15,990, but because of a very, very special event that we have happening this afternoon and today, it's been reduced by 40%, or you get 40% savings, a sale price of $9,590. I don't know about you, but that is a great deal. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please, for Huawei and the Huawei X1. Wow, from $15,990, it is down to $9,590 just for today. 40% savings, that's equivalent to $6,400. We're all very, very excited. You have very good looking, very talented guests. Join us for the event ceremony. We're bringing back this one honor once again to call Huawei Technologies the Philippines dynamic leaders to meet us in the ribbon cutting and their first Huawei experience store. first-hand experience. So the first Huawei experience store here in the Philippines. Yeah, it is now officially open. Welcome. And please see how Huawei has integrated its corporate philosophy and its spirit of innovation in its experience store. This is the first one in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And for all of your posts on social media, once again, please use the hashtag Huawei Experience Store PH. I'll wait for everyone to walk right in so I can tell you all about this magnificent experience store of Huawei. Again, we're inviting you the minute that you get in here, we're inviting you to check out the different products, all of the different gadgets. Just in case you didn't know, we have a Huawei watch. Explore that a little bit later on. That's the fantastic thing about being at the Huawei Experience Store, because you get to experience every single one of the Huawei products that's in the market.